Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts, and today I'm making some Pikmin earrings in honor of the Pikmin game coming to the Nintendo Switch. For this tutorial, you will need printable Shrinky Dink paper, a pan for in the oven with wax paper, a silicone mat, scissors, jump rings, some earring posts, UV resin, or you could use Mod Podge. You'll need some paintbrushes, needle nose pliers, and a UV resin light, as well as some hole punches. Go ahead and print out your Pikmin pictures on your Shrinky Dink paper, then cut them out. When mine are all cut out, I cut off the flower tops, and then I also shape around the head. I want to make it look like the flower is hanging there and bouncing around off the Pikmin's head while it's in your ear. Don't forget to use the hole punch to add a hole into the Pikmin, that way you can put your jump ring through there. Place on your tray and bake in the oven according to the instructions on your Shrinky Dink paper. Once it's out, add some resin to the top layer and make sure to spread it around. I'm using a lighter here to make sure that any of the bubbles in the resin pop. Place it in your UV light so it'll cure. Then use a little bit of your UV resin to attach the post to the flower or leaf portion of your Pikmin's antenna. When that is cured, go ahead and add your jump rings to your Pikmin and to the flower and attach. And you'll have some cute Pikmin earrings. Now, I wasn't a fan of how these turned out. I thought they were a little bit too dark. You can barely see the eyes on this Pikmin here, but I think they turned out kind of cute. Let me know down in the comment section what I should have done to make them a little bit more brighter if you have any idea. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow the links in my description to add me on social medias. Give me some ideas on things I should do next. Other than that, guys, let me know what your favorite Pikmin color is, and I'll see you guys next time.